Please peel the potatoes. Please peel the potatoes.
Don't leave your socks there. Don't leave your socks there. Don't fall asleep on the sofa. Don't fall asleep on the sofa. Don't forget the shopping list. Don't forget the shopping list.
Put more rice on my plate. Put more rice on my plate.
Please close the fridge door. Please close the fridge door. Wash your hands before dinner. Wash your hands before dinner. Don't argue with the neighbor again. Don't argue with the neighbor again. Please check the mailbox. Please check the mailbox. Don't stay up too late tonight. Don't stay up too late tonight. Stop hiding the remote control. Stop hiding the remote control.
Come and sit beside me. Come and sit beside me.
Please answer the phone. Please answer the phone. Put your coat on outside. Put your coat on outside. Please feed the cat now. Please feed the cat now.
Bring the newspaper inside. Bring the newspaper inside.
Sit down and rest your legs. Sit down and rest your legs.
Please bring me my glasses. Please bring me my glasses.
Don't forget your medicine today. Don't forget your medicine today.
Turn the TV down a little. Turn the TV down a little. Make some tea for us. Make some tea for us.
Don't eat too much sugar. Don't eat too much sugar.
Open the window, please. Open the window, please.
Water the flowers before lunch. Water the flowers before lunch. Stop here.
Help.
Stop here. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Close the window. Close the window. Follow me. Follow me. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Up. Be careful. Be careful. Drink some water. Drink some water. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Open your bag. Open your bag. Bring the keys. Bring the keys. Open the door. Open the door. Turn off the phone. Turn off the phone. Go outside. Go outside. Listen carefully.
Ha.
Listen carefully. Try again. Try again. Look at the board. Look at the board. Speak slowly. Speak slowly.
I am speaking slowly.
Check the time. Check the time. Repeat the sentence.
Puba.
Repeat the sentence.
Repeat the sentence.
Write your name. Write your name. Clean the table. Clean the table. Close the book. Close the book. Close the book. Look both ways before crossing. Look both ways before crossing. Be careful on the stairs. Be careful on the stairs. Take a short rest. Take a short rest. Come help me water the plants. Come help me water the plants. Stay warm and wear your hat. Stay warm and wear your hat. Finish your milk. Finish your milk. Put on your socks. Put on your socks. Hold my hand while we walk. Hold my hand while we walk. Stay close to me in the store. Stay close to me in the store. Bring your sweater with you. Bring your sweater with you. Come here and show me your drawing. Come here and show me your drawing. Put your backpack by the chair. Put your backpack by the chair. Smile and be happy. Smile and be happy. Wait for me at the door. Wait for me at the door. Use your napkin, please. Use your napkin, please. Put the remote on the table. Put the remote on the table. Give the cat some food. Give the cat some food. Remember that I love you. Remember that I love you. Bring me the book from the table. Bring me the book from the table. Help me carry this bag. Help me carry this bag. Sit up straight, please. Sit up straight. Put your plate in the sink. Put your plate in the sink. Put your shoes by the door. Put your shoes by the door. Wear your jacket outside. Wear your jacket outside. Save some cookies for later. Save some cookies for later. Come help me in the kitchen. Come help me in the kitchen.